Russell here with a handmade knife review. This is our hidden Tang Hunka Bunka Bocho. It's called a Hunka because this is a hunk of steel. The Bunka Bocho refers to the depth and the kirtsuki front. So a Bocho can be thinner, which is why this is a Hunka. Basically think of a deeper Santoku. So Santokus can be a little bit less deep. The Bochos get into an increased depth, with the Bunka Bochos being even more so. This specific knife is made in CPM MagnaCut. It has a nice satin finish on it, and I left the buffed forge finish up here. For the handle, we have a piece of faux ivory, and then two blue G10 liners with a piece of orange kirnite, and this lovely piece of cocobolo. It is a wall handle, and I kind of did a teardrop-esque shape to that handle, so it really sits in those knuckles right there, and you can wrap. And the front is chamfered down to a nice, comfortable pinch grip. So what would you use a Hunka Bunka Bocho for? So if you're cutting smaller things, you could literally use this as your everyday just bulk chopper. When you're doing bigger things, it is going to go through a lot of different things. So bigger pieces of meat, bigger vegetables, root vegetables that you just want to, really just go through quickly because it's got the weight to it. You can basically use it a bit like a cleaver and just be able to go through anything that has a harder rind, winter squashes, pumpkins, etc. But you could also use it for some of your smaller prep. It does have more of an obtuse angle on it, not quite like a cleaver, but definitely more obtuse than your everyday chef's knife. But you could still do a lot of your simple or softer vegetable bulk chopping with that big boy. So if you're interested in a massive Hunka Bunka Bocho, take a look at SerenityKnives.com.